There's one thing that I've been wondering about. Is it the same way to program the garage door opener in the CyberTruck as the other vehicles? Well, let's go see. Let's go do that. All right, let's get in the menu system. And so it's not in the locks, it's not in the controls. I don't see it. Let's hit the garage door opener. Link my queue account. So, they're just doing the MyQ account. That's kind of the cheaping out as far as Tesla goes, because yes, most garage door openers are MyQ. They're set up, mine are, but you have to pay a yearly subscription to that. And I guess it's not that much money, and you could program it from anywhere. But man, you think for $100,000 you would have the little chip up front. And let's keep digging. So if I go into, let's go into settings. No. Ride height, dynamics, charging, locks. It's gotta be in the garage door opener, and you have to use this. Again, I think that's really bad of Tesla to rely on MyQ when not every garage door is MyQ, and some gates are not MyQ where you can use, because if you had a gate to your house before, you can use it and just push a button on the screen or have it automatically open up, and now you can't do that in the CyberTruck. Hopefully that feature comes out later on, but this is disappointing. For 100 grand, I think it's disappointing. What is that? What does that mechanism cost? Maybe $20, maybe $10, probably $10, if that. MyQ is my disappointment in the CyberTruck. Maybe I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, leave it in the comments down below. Help out everybody. Has anybody said anything? If we're getting the garage door opener, that's missing. That is definitely missing in this. I hate to have the garage door openers hanging from different places, although up here is a good spot. If you can stick it right there, it's out of the way. You can just push the button. But it'd be better just to have both, MyQ and the other one, just like the Model S and Model X. Why'd you go away from it? Anyway, just learning more and more about this truck. Still like it though.